देखिए, जिस तरीके से हम झाड़ू मार के यहाँ पे अभी आई लव बागडोगरा को साफ किया ना, तो उसी तरह तृणमूल को भी झाड़ू मार के हम बाहर निकालेंगे इस बार।
कौन सी आदत?
देखिए ना, एसआईआर होने दीजिए, आपको पता चलेगा। तृणमूल टिका हुआ है मुस्लिम इन्फिल्ट्रेशन के वोट से, और जो फेक वोटिंग होता है, रिगिंग बोलते हैं जिसे, साइंटिफिक रिगिंग, जिसके बारे में ममता बनर्जी पहले कहती थी कि लेफ्ट ऐसा करता है। अब ममता बनर्जी लेफ्ट की सबसे अच्छी स्टूडेंट बन गई है। वही जो वोट चोरी का काम वो अभी ममता बनर्जी कर रही है।
ममता बनर्जी has alleged that the political parties are doing politics on the natural calamities.
Mamata Banerjee herself first started the politics. If you go through my first tweet, which I tweeted just after the incident happened, in that tweet, I did not use a single political word. Later on, Mamata Banerjee came on the TV, and she gave a new hypothesis that CSC is responsible for all these things. CSC is totally denying everything. Now, who is the responsible for the death of the 11 person? Is it a matter of joke? So many people lost their life. Who will be responsible? Because CESC is telling us that all their wires are underground. Then the wires, those are hanging in Kolkata from the post. Whose wire is this? And who is responsible for this kind of mismanagement? Someone should be responsible and someone should take the responsibility. And most importantly, the CESC is extracting the money from the people of Kolkata by using the highest ever tariff by any electricity company in West Bengal. And Goenka ji is the proprietor of that company, and they are the largest funder of TMC. ममता बनर्जी को सबसे ज्यादा पैसा CSC कंपनी से आता है। आप देख लीजिए, पूरा लिखा जोखा है वहां पे। आज ममता बनर्जी CSC को दोष दे रहे। It is not right. Someone should take the responsibility. Government was, intimated by the different agencies that this kind of heavy rainfall is about to come. The first they should say what kind of measures, precautions measures they have taken.
But the government said it's a matter of natural calamity. Who is responsible?
So natural calamities is quite, obvious. Nobody can do anything in case of natural calamities. But the thing is that heavy rainfall is a natural calamity. In other cities of the country, also water accumulate, waterlogged condition happen different time in the country due to the heavy rainfall. But this kind of death is not the natural calamities. This is the human error, and it is a kind of murder. It's a kind of murder. It is not the natural calamities. And water logging condition is understandable. We are not blaming anyone for that. We know whose responsibility is this, but we are not blaming anyone. But why the people will lose their life? That is the question.
Once Mamata Banerjee said that she will make Kolkata to London.
Now she made Venice. So that's why you were traveling by using boat.
On the GST issue, that she has said that she was the first to write about the GST reforms. Taking credits.
Mamata Banerjee is, will take all the good credits, and everything bad will happen, she will bypass to someone. Like Kho-Kho playing. The Kho-Kho playing, there is a traditional game in India, that is Kho-Kho, and everybody give Kho to the people who is standing beside him or her. So that is the, I think, most beloved sports of Mamata Banerjee. She is very efficient in giving Kho. So that is the question, whether Mamata Banerjee's government was a part of GST Council. When first GST Council was formed, ask the question to the TMC leader. Who was the chairman of GST Council? Bengal's finance minister, then finance minister, Amit Mitra, was the GST Council chairman. And he played good role in forming the GST rules and regulation. So, the amount of GST that was incurred over the life insurance, that was incurred during the tenure of Amit Mitra, who is very close to Mamata Banerjee, who was very close to Mamata Banerjee. So Mamata Banerjee cannot deny the responsibility. It's a council, and now the member of most of the chief ministers and the state governments are the member of GST council, all the state government, and now BJP has a larger number of state governments. So that's why BJP is doing all these things. And I would like to thank Narendra Modi ji for relaxing the GST and these GST reforms. Chalo.